How to remove clock on lock screen iPhone. For that, first of all, drop down from the top left corner and simply keep pressing. There you will see customize option, tap on that and choose lock screen. Now from here what you can do is you cannot really remove clock, but what you can do is you can choose the font color to the background color, and then it will automatically be fade out and clock will not be seen on lock screen. As you can see, in this way you can easily remove clock on lock screen in your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.